In a previous video, I spoke about SQL Server and actually doing some tutorial videos. Well, this is the first one, and in this video, it's about getting you set up so you can follow the rest of the tutorials. And the software that you're going to install, which is all free, is SQL Server 2019 Express Edition, SQL Server Management Studio, and AdventureWorks databases and data warehouse from Microsoft. And once you've got all those installed, by pausing the video at various points, you're all set up to follow on with the rest of the tutorials. If you manage to follow along to all those various steps, then you are set up and ready to follow along to the next tutorial, where we look at databases, schemas, tables and columns.